Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Assalamu alaikum. Today we're gonna cover how to say nice to meet you. Means we are going to cover a lot of expressions how to say nice to meet you. أنا نشوفوا واحد 20 عبارة كيفاش نقولوا متشرفين باللغة الإنجليزية. Okay, so let's start. We have the first one. We have glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Okay, glad to meet you. Or you can say great interacting with you. Great interacting with you. Okay, so we have one. You can say number one or number two. Glad to meet you, or you can say great interacting with you. Okay, then we have another expression. We have great seeing you. Great seeing you. Great seeing you. Or we have happy to meet you. Happy to meet you. يعني سررت بلقائك. Happy to meet you. Then next one we have how wonderful to meet you. How wonderful to meet you. How wonderful to meet you. Then we have I had a great meeting. I had a great meeting. I had a great meeting. So until now we cover 6 expressions. Okay, احنا لحد الان شفنا 6 ديال لي expressions. Okay, 6 ديال العبارات. Then we have it is fun talking to you. It is fun talking to you. It is fun talking to you. Then we have I have enjoyed meeting you. I have enjoyed meeting you. I have enjoyed meeting you. Okay, next expressions we have it was lovely meeting you. It was lovely meeting you. It was lovely meeting you. And we have it was nice meeting you. Either you can say it was lovely meeting you, or you can say it was nice meeting you. Other expressions that we have it was nice to have met you. It was nice to have met you. Then we have also it's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Okay, it was nice to have met you, or you can say it's a pleasure to meet you. Next expressions we have it's lovely to meet you. It's lovely to meet you. It's lovely to meet you. Or you can say it's very nice to meet you. It's very nice to meet you. Then we have also lovely to meet you. Lovely to meet you. Or you can say nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Other expressions we have pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Or we have also how do you do. How do you do. Either you can say pleased to meet you, or you can say how do you do. Then we have it is fun chatting with you. It is fun chatting with you. Or we can say I'm glad we got together. I'm glad we got together. Okay, so you can say it is fun chatting with you, or you can say I'm glad we got together. Okay, also the thing. Okay, so we cover like 20 expressions how we are going to say like nice to meet you, etc. All these expressions are good, or you can say you can use them instead of using nice to meet you, etc. You can use these expressions. And okay, you can we can say nice to meet you in Arabic متشرفين etc. We can use this expression. يعني نقدروا نستعملوا هذه العبارات بلاص مثلا nice to meet you etc. Okay, thank you so much and wait for so much.